Good morning everybody. Today I will take your mental math. Mental math exercise 1. I do it for you. Exercise 1. Fill in the blanks in the boxes. I will do every math. Mental math exercise 1. Fill in the blank boxes. A. 125 into box equal to 2000. Right hand side number given, but box you would write it. So right hand side into sign into. So 2000 divided by 125, 16. So you put 16. Okay. B. 12 into 11 minus 11 into 11. 12 into 11 132. And 11 into 11 121. So 132 minus 121 equal to 11. Box में 11 होगा. You put 11 in the box. Okay. C. What are the factors of 165? What are called factors? The number which number is divided by this number, they are called factors. That is 165. 1 into 165, 2, you do not divide it 2. Last number 5. So 3 into 55, 5 into 33, 11 into 50. So factors, all these are factors. 1, 3, 5, 11, 15, 33, 55, 165. So factors of 165 are 1, 3, 5, 11, 15, 33, 55 and 65. The number 165 is divided by which numbers? All these numbers are called its factors. Okay. C, D देखो. D. 236 plus 464 minus 600 equal to blank. 236 plus 465. 236 plus 464 bracket cut. You put in this bracket. These two numbers are addition. Add sum 700 minus 600 100. Put this number in the blank box 100. Okay. E. 1 kg minus 750 gram. 1 kg equal to 100 gram. 1 kg equal to 100 gram minus 750 gram. So 250 gram. Box, you put box 250 gram. You put this 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So it is clear to you. 1 kg 750 gram. Kg we transfer it into gram. So 1 kg 1000 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram minus 750 gram 2050 gram. 250 gram. Sorry. 250 gram. 250 gram. Blank box. Okay. Question number A. 200 minus 156 equal to 4 into box. That is 200 minus 156 equal to 44 equal to 4 into blank. So 44 by divided by 4 equal to 11. So you put this 11. 44. So 4 into 11 44. So 44 11 answer. Okay. G. 540 equal to 90. 540 blank into 6. So 540 equal to blank. 540 equal to 90 into 6. 540 by 6. Divide 6. 540 by 6. 6 9 ja 54 0. So 90. Okay. 90 into 6. 6 9 ja 54. 540. H. 5006 plus 924 equal to how many? So these two add 640 carrying 1 2 and 3 3 9 5. Okay, simple sum, that is addition. That is J. 60 tens equal to 125 plus box plus 175. 60 tens. 60 tens means 60 into 10, 600. So 600 equal to 125 plus 300 plus 175. So 600 equal to 300 plus 300. So box में 300. 125 plus 175 300. Box में 300. So 600 minus 300 equal to 300. Box में 300. Okay. This is chapter 1. Exercise 1. Exercise 2. Fill in the blank box. We fill in the box. How many sets of 9 are there in 819? Sets mean how many 9s? 9 819 में how many times it can divide? So divide 9 890 को 9 से divide. So 9 819 तो 91 divide करके 91 होगा. 9 9 जा 81, 9 9 1 जा 9 91. Okay. B. Blank box divided by 5. So 200 equal to 5. 200 divided by 40. 200 divided by 40. So 5. 200 divided by 5 equal to 40. Blank divided by 40. That's 40 into 5. यहाँ पर blank divided by 5 equal to 40. यहाँ पर कुछ नहीं, blank. So 40 into 5. 40 into 5 200. 200 के 5 से divide करो 40. Okay. C. 9 sets of 8 equal to 6 sets of dash. 9 sets of 8 mean 9 8 ja 72 equal to 6 sets of 12. That is 72 divided by 6 12. So 6 sets of 12. 9 8 ja 72, 6 12 ja 72. Okay. Equal 2 comma 51 plus 1 2 lakh 51,160. Blank box माने blank. 2 lakh plus 50,000 दे दिया plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 6 tens. Express the number extending form. E. 10,000s short form. 10,000s plus 900s plus 5 ones. 10,905. 5 ones 905. Okay. यहाँ पर blank minus 245. So minus plus. So 440 minus 440. 490 प्लस 245 माइनस है प्लस हो जाएगा, ऑपोजिट साइन हो जाएगा. ऑपोजिट साइन यू पुट ऑपोजिट साइन. 490 प्लस 245 735. 735 माइनस 245 490. ओके. जी 595 प्लस 5 प्लस बॉक्स इक्वल टू 1100. ब्लैंक plus minus you do it minus 1100 minus 595 505. Okay. H 80 plus 11 minus 60 plus 9 equal to box. 80 plus 11 91. 60 plus 9 69. 91 minus 69 22 blank में. Okay. I 11 into 11 plus 56. 11 into 11 121 plus 56 177. Okay. 617 527 177 answer. Divide rupees 999 among 9 people. If you have 999 rupees. You divide it into among 9 people. How many rupees will get each man? Each man get how many rupees? So you divide 999 by 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 ones are 9. 9 1. So each one gets rupees 111. Okay. 2 chapters I will do in the class. Repeat. I will repeat. Chapter 1, fill in the blanks. 125 into blank equal to 2000. 2000 divided by 125, 16. You put 16 in the blank box. 12 into 11 minus 11 into 12 into 11 equal to 132. 11 into 11 equal to 122. So 132 minus 122 equal to 11. You put 11 in the blank box. Okay. What are the factors of 165? Factors means one number, if one number is divided by with these numbers, one number is divided by which number, these numbers which are divided by that number are called factors. That is 165. 1 into 165, it can be divided by 3. 3 into 55. 5 into 33. 11 into 15. So all these are factors. 1, 3, 5, 11, 15, 33, 55, 165. So factors of 165 are 1, 3, 5, 11, 15, 32, 55 and 165. Okay. D. 236 plus 464 minus 600. 200 sum addition. I will break it up. 236 plus 464 700 minus 600 100. You put in the blank box 100. 1 kg minus 750 gram. 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. Similar kind you will change it. If you put it kg, you cannot subtract it. So kg ko transfer, you transfer kg into gram. So 1 kg equal to 1000 gram. So 1000 gram minus 750 gram equal to 250 gram. Okay. Then if 200 minus 156 equal to 4 into box. That is 200 minus 156, 44. Therefore 4 into how many number you multiply into 4, then 44, this 11. So 44 divided by 4, that is 11. So 11 answer. You put blank 11, blank box 11. G. 540 equal to blank box into 6. So 540 into, so you divide it 540 by 6. 6 9 ja 54, 90. So 90. 6 9 ja 54, 54 0. Okay. H. 5006 plus 924. Simple. Plus 460 carrying 1 213 9 5. Okay. I. J. DH. FGH. I. There are I. 1010 minus 1010 minus, this is answer, this is not, blank box, minus 101, 101. So simply you add 901 plus 101. So 1010 1010 minus 101. You subtract it, देखो 909. 1 0 से 1 divide minus करोगे 9 0 0 1 9. So 909. Okay. 1010 blank box में 1010. I. J. 60 tens equal to 125 plus blank box plus 170. 60 tens. 1 tens equal to 10. 60 tens equal to 60 into 10. 600. So 120, 600 equal to 125 plus blank box plus 125 plus 175. 300. So 600 minus 300, 300. So you put 300 in the blank box. Okay. Now fill in the blanks boxes. Chapter exercise 2. How many sets of 9 are there in 819? 819. How many times you divide 819 by 9? So you divide 819 9. 9 9 ja 81, 9 1 ja 9, 91. You put 91 in the blank box. B. Blank box divided by 5 equal to 40. So 40 into 5, 200. 200, if you divide 200 by 5, 40. Okay. 9 sets of 8 equal to 6 sets of how many? So 9 sets of 8 mean 8 9 ja 72. 6 sets of 72 by 6. So 12. So 6 sets of 6 12 ja 72 or 8 9 ja 72. Okay, equal hai. So this is right. 2,51,160. Expand form. Blank karna. You should fill up the blanks. Box plus 50,000 plus box plus 100 plus box. So 2 lakh, 2, 1 10 100,000 10,000 lakh plus 50,000 1 10 100,000 50,000 plus 1,000 plus 100 plus 6 tens, that is 60. Okay. E. 10,000 plus 900 plus 5 ones. 10,000 905. 905 5 ones. Okay. F. 735 minus 735 blank box minus 245. So 490 plus minus plus हो जाएगा 245. तो 735. You 735 से 245 माइनस करो 490 होगा. 5509. 13 से 9 जाएगा. 13 से 4 जाएगा 9. कैरिंग 1 2 1 3. 7 से 3 जाएगा 4. ओके. Z. 595 plus blank box equal to 1100. So plus, so 1100 से 595 माइनस करो. 55990 6 51 10 6 505 प्लस करो 550 10 91 10 516 56 11. Okay. H. 80 plus 11 minus 60 plus 9. 80 plus 11 91 minus 60 plus 9 69. 91 minus 69 22. So box में 22 लिख दो. Okay. I. 11 into 11 plus 56. 11 into 11 121 plus 56. So 177. Okay. J. Divide rupees 999 among 9 people. There are 9 people here and you have 999 rupees. So how many rupees each man, how many rupees each can get? So you divide 990 rupees by 9 among 9 people. So 999 को 9 से divide करो. 9 1 जा 9 9 9 1 जा 9 9 1 जा 9. So each one gets rupees is not a unit. 111. Okay. 2 chapters I have completed. Next day I will do 3 and 4. Okay.